I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a door and frame. First, gather your essential tools, including a pry bar, a drill, a level, and a measuring tape. Next, carefully remove the old door and frame. Begin by prying off the trim, then unscrew the hinges and remove the door. Finally, dismantle the old frame and inspect the rough opening for any damage or necessary repairs before proceeding. Now, let's install the new door frame. Carefully position the new frame within the rough opening, making sure it is perfectly plumb and level. Use shims to make precise adjustments, ensuring the frame is square and secure. Once aligned, fasten the frame to the wall studs using 3-inch screws, typically 2 on each side and 1 at the top, checking for stability as you go. With the frame in place, it's time to hang the new door. First, attach the hinges to the door, ensuring they are properly aligned and spaced, typically 7 inches from the top and 11 inches from the bottom. Carefully lift the door into the frame and secure the hinges to the frame. Check the door's swing and clearance, making sure there are no gaps larger than 1/8 of an inch, and make any necessary adjustments for a smooth operation. Finally, let's add the finishing touches. Install the door hardware, including the doorknob, latch, and strike plate, ensuring everything operates smoothly. Next, apply new trim around the door frame for a clean, professional look, typically using 1.5-inch finish nails. Caulk any gaps and then paint the new frame and trim to seamlessly match your interior decor, completing your door replacement project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.